Shofwatuzzaki for this opportunity. I will present a bit about the challenge for industrial maintenance, uh, including the nickel industry. Yeah. I will share my screen. Please let me know if you have already seen my screen.
Yeah, it works.
Okay, let me see first. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Um. So I will present a bit about the common challenges that faced by industrial maintenance, including nickel industry, and how Shell develop the solution to overcome those challenges. Yeah. At this moment, as we see that most of industries have the common challenges. Yeah, they have to be more productive with higher efficiency and also lower the carbon emission. So the challenges is not only about the economic or commercial, yes, but the challenges also came from uh, environmental challenges. Yeah. On the other hand, in terms of mechanical or maintenance challenges, yeah, reliability of equipment is a key factor to ensure that the continuity of the operation in the field. Yeah. So these challenges have been addressed by the equipment manufacturer, or we could say OEMs. Yeah. And in this presentation, I take a specific case from industrial gearboxes, where by taking the advantage of advanced metallurgy and manufacturing method, the design of industrial gearboxes are getting smaller with the same power transmitted. Means that the gearbox load are now become harder than before. And it also impacted to the lubricants, where the oil stress are becoming more higher and higher. That's why if we see that industrial standard body creates specific requirement for industrial gearboxes. If we see the geographical mapping of the gear oil industrial standard, it reflects to the geographical distribution of major industrial gearbox OEM. Yeah, we see that they are concentrated in Houston. We see there's North, Falk, Boston, and also in Europe we see Siemens Flender, and in Asia we can see in Japan and also in China. So due to the rapid development of gearbox, major OEMs are now more depend on their own internal lubricant standard and approval than rather than relying on industrial oil standard. And Shell, we have 4 lubricant technology center that geographically mirroring to the spread of major OEMs. This enable or this allowing us to have some kind of collaboration or partnership with OEMs. The type of partnership can be in the form of Shell producing or Shell developing solution or products that meeting the OEM standards, or Shell develop the solution and testing method that can be adopted by the OEMs, or Shell do the co-development with OEM, where the intellectual properties of the hardware is belong to the OEMs, while intellectual properties of the lubricants belong to Shell. Yeah. I will take a couple of examples on how Shell developed the solution for specific challenges. One example, if we talk about energy efficiency challenges, we see that from the design of the gearboxes, yeah, there are uh, the oil properties that can be contributed to the energy losses. Yeah, the first one is frictional losses, and the second one is churning losses due to thick oil viscosity. Yeah, so by reducing the friction of losses, the temperature of the oil will be also reduced, and it's allow us to use more thinner oil or low viscosity oil. So it will also reduce the churning losses. So by design, if we can produce or we can develop oil that have low frictional losses, then we can reduce the energy losses. Yeah. So we do develop the formulation, and we test it in a screener test before actually test it in the rig test, because rig test is sometimes take a long time to test, and also a high cost. So to manage the cost, every formulation that will be uh, undergo the rig test have to be passed the screeners test, so we can manage the development cost. And we also, after development, we also demonstrate this value to the in the field. Yeah, this is one of example in one of mineral processing plant in Australia, where by using synthetic Omala S4 gear oil, they can reduce the electricity consumption by about 2.1%, and also doubling the oil drain interval. So they also can reduce the disposal cost of the lubricant. So in total, in a year, they can have a saving over about 74,000 USD. Yeah. Another example is how to increase unit reliability. So first of all, we do some kind of computer modeling about the contact in the gears, and then we develop the formulation that can cope with the contact patterns, and then we do screener test, and also after they pass the screener test, we do the rig testing and also field testing to the formulation. Yeah, after we develop this formulation, then we can apply this with the application at the customer side. Yeah. So this is one example from one of mining operation in Indonesia, where they operate about 95 electric mining trucks. Yeah, they have final drive gearboxes that has a problem with their downtime. Yeah, because of component wear, and after they are using our synthetic Omala S4 GXV, and also improvement on some maintenance practices, they can reduce the component wear, and by reducing the component wear, they can reduce the downtime by half, and they can save about 115,000 US dollar per year from the increase the uh, unit productivity. Yeah, so that's how Shell developed the solution for the specific challenges in industry. Yeah? So we define the problem, and we design the solution, we develop the solution, and we demonstrate the value to at the customer side. Yeah. Shell have wide range of product for industrial maintenance. Yeah. We have Shell Omala for industrial gear oil, Telas for hydraulic, up to specialties oil such as fire-resistant oil, and also biodegradable lubricant, what we call Shell Natural. And we have more than 2,000 OEM approval and listings that showing that we have closely developed our product together with the OEMs. And specific for mineral processing plant for the nickel industries, we have a complete product portfolio from for heavy lubricant for ore mining, and also factory plant maintenance lubricant for smelter plant. Yeah, we have all the complete product portfolio that can support the industry. Yeah. Okay, this is my last slide. Yeah. So I would say that uh, lubricants, not all lubricants are the same. Yeah, Shell have the technology to help maximize customer profitability. That's what differentiate us. Yeah, shall have the technology leadership. We have three pillars of technology leadership. The first one is innovation, whereby this innovation we can develop new base oil technology, additive technology, machine testing technology that can that allow us to produce high quality lubricant. And we also partnering, yeah, we also have partnership with OEMs and also customer to ensure that our solution can be implemented and can resolve the challenges of the equipment and also the operation. And in terms of application, we have plenty of product application specialists in across the globe that can linking between application in the field and R&D in our uh, lubricant technology center. So we also develop services solution, yeah, to ensure that uh, our customer, our partner is not only using the right product, but using it in the right amount, in the right time, with the right method, in the right place, and with the right competence. So they can extract more value by using the high quality lubricants. Yeah, we have services such as condition monitoring, on-site services, up to digital solution. Then we will talk more about our services, I think, in the next webinar. So this is sorry, this is not my last slide. This is actually my last slide. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you.